Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still.
Just have a look of the morning vibes of Munnar, where the tea maker is making tea. Sunil, coffee or Amba? Tea or coffee?
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit.
This is the hotel where we stayed in the last night. Just have a look. Let's go in. Just have a look of the river. So, this is your room. So let's check out the view from our window, from our room, which we are seeing. This is a honeymoon suite.
Or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
And let's go and peek into the maps where exactly we traveled. So we were in Coimbatore. From Coimbatore we traveled to Pollachi. From Pollachi we went to Udumalpet. Then from Udumalpet we took this way and passed through the Amaravati, Nachivele, Eravikulam and reached Munnar. So our next plan is to travel Thiruvananthapuram. We have a long journey to go. Let's see. We are in last night's at Swiss Garden, Mahalakshmi Towers. It's near Pizza Mac and this Gwesti shop opposite to Silver Tree. So let's go. Angapare, Goldie is back after 24 hours. We had our Goldie. Today we are going to Trivandrum. It is almost 350 to 400 kilometers. Let's check out Munnar. Let's go. Those are our riders. So now we are leaving Munnar after the wonderful trip and stay. Going to Munnar. Just check out the beauty of tea plantations and the forest. Backpackers. You want people are taking selfies. What a beautiful house. Is it recording? Yes, it's recording. It was a beautiful view. See the tea plantation. Acres and acres of tea plantations are there here. And the city is also very clean. Just mountains, just mountains. Some jet has gone in the sky. See that hotel or a building which is there on the hilltop. Wow, check out these
trees. It's a picture perfect. After coming to Munnar, the only word we have to speak is wow, wow, wow. Other than that, nothing else. You can just enjoy it. View unatundi? View unda chudu? We thought there is some view, but there is no view. So we are just leaving. This is a perfect for riders. Perfect landscapes for riders. What a beauty. We are actually we are getting down the hill. I think we are away from the hill. Munnar, I think. Wow, look at this. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. What a beauty. Are there any words in the dictionary to describe this beauty? See, there you can see a small tiny village, and at every corners there are chai shops. Wherever your sight goes, till there is plantation and hills only, nothing else. Perfect destination for honeymoon couples. Think something is there here, that's why. Hey, clip for instant photo. Yemo undraida. Oh my goodness, just have a look of that hills. What a beauty. It's also a spot, viewpoint. Let's go. What a beauty, what a beauty. Let's go, way to go. Goldie is also happy after meeting me after 24 hours. I will meet her for a while. Just check out on the left side. What a beauty. Every building is looking like ants. They are looking like ants, as if someone has planted the houses in a game like thing.
They'll see with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low.
Ooh, what a steep. That was a good one. Banda, akkad chudu. What a beauty, what a beauty. See, check out this one. I'll put the photographs. Wow, wow, wow. The whole Munnar, I think. And there, Munnar also has every hill station. Chocolates are famous. Chocolates are quite famous actually. It's another viewpoint. There are many backpackers here. We are two lovebirds. Almost we are getting down. My ears are packed actually. Whispering Meadows. It's a tourist destination only. Kerala, God's own country. Just getting lost in the woods after a while is where the best one in a tourist. The call has been there. Until then, check out those mountains. It's absolutely mesmerizing. No words. There is a waterfall there. Meduva pola. Medendi problem? Endi? పిన్నడియా వా మెదువా పో ఎలా లైన్ లేపో మనకు అర్థమైనట్లేదు పదా ఓకే లెట్స్ ఫాలో హిమ్ హిస్ బ్రేక్ కేబుల్ హస్ బీన్ కట్ ఐ థింక్ వేర్ టు ఫైండ్ ద మెకానిక్ నౌ హోప్ సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ గోస్ వెల్
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Kadimali, Kochi, Valara waterfalls, Fort Kochi 126. I think this one is also electric car. The words are in green. I don't know much about it, but check out these houses. They are built on the edges. Or the houses are built first and the edges later. Roads later. I don't know. Here is a waterfall. Have a look. We have reduced we have reduced the speed. What a beautiful house. The house or what? I don't know. Animalai Kaldar Bridge it seems. Have a look. Let's have a look. Check out this side. Water is gushing. As if leave me, I have to go to the earth and I have to go to meet my ocean papa. Bullet mechanic enga kadikkum? Bullet mechanic. Oil kammiya irukla mostly. 14 Okay, thank you.
14 kilometers irukku.
அது பிரேக் ஃபெயில் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு அதே வருது அதே போகுது. என்ன காட்ஸ் இருக்கா? காட்ஸ் இவ்வளவுதானா?
ரோட்ஸ் வந்து ஹில்ல இருக்கா ப்ளைனா?
அல்ல காட்ஸ் டர்னிங். ஆஹா.
മൂന്നാറിനാ വന്നത്.
ആഹാ.
വന്ന വഴിയിൽ നിറയെ
ஓகே.
கிலோமீட்டர் இருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி கோர்ஸ்.
இந்த மழை முடிஞ்சிச்சா? மழை முடிஞ்சிச்சா? மலை. ஓ, திருவனந்தபுரம். இந்த மாதிரி ஃபாரஸ்ட் ரோடு. ஓகே ஓகே. ஓகே 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 ஓகே. தேங்க்யூ. Bangalore. Okay. For another 14 kilometers, the road is like this one only. It seems there is full of forest. It seems. Let's go. Live chocolate factory, 50 meters. What is there in chocolate factories? Ettikara, Talamalli, Korangatti, Machupuru. How come the water splashed at my helmet level? How come it went 13 there? I don't know. To whom I was talking? Till 14 kilometers, the road is in the same manner. It seems. Just curves. After 14 kilometers, it's a normal city. It seems. I don't know what he was saying. Let's see. The brake is holding itself. It seems. I don't know why. Because of this forest-like thing, we are not feeling the sun. What a beauty! We can't see even the roads also. That is the beauty of the Western Ghats. In Uttara Kannada trip, we covered almost the part of the Western Ghats, and this is the rest of the part of chocolate factory. Actually, what we came was not a tourist spot. I think it was a for jungle route, and what we are now going is a tourist route. That's why many vehicles are there in this route. This was the vehicle which we were following. Ide vaadu Madhu emanadu Kochi daggirannada. Madurai kada daggirannadu vaadu. We are not going to Madurai actually. One of the riders, Madhu, suggested that Madurai is nearer to us, but we are not going to Madurai because we want a U-turn of India. This is totally the different route which we traveled yesterday. This is somewhat like just a highway only. Just falls. Only the falls, nothing else. We missed the traffic. It's better that we missed the traffic. I was bored traveling with those four-wheelers. They were not going. They were just following their own rules.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door.
This was a nice trail. Just go. What a beauty. A single stream of the waterfall. Mostly in the rainy season it may come till here also. A beautiful church at a beautiful location. Just have a look over the church. Church or a school? I think it's a school. School buses are there. It's a beautiful stretch. Perfect. You can enjoy this ride. Hibiscus, Adimoli bypass, Kalarkatti road. I think they are seeing some other address. Okay, that was a short and small break. After the break, we are going back again towards Kanyakumari. There is a bit wind blast. Are we down the hill? Don't know. Let's check out what is this area. I don't know. Let's check out the name. Juma Masjid area. Mechanic kadakala I don't know. Digu bhaiya. Let's go in that long. Tank full panpa. Inge bullet mechanic inge kadako. Google Pay? இல்லையா? Cash-ஆ? Card இருக்கு. அடிமலி. Both of them, I think it means below the mountain. புரியல. பண்ணு డబుల్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ தானே? నువ్వు చేసేస్తారా? దట్ వాజ్ ఎ ఫ్యూల్ స్టాప్. నౌ లెట్స్ గో. The breakdown has been done quickly. So the job is done, I think. That's why everyone are going Josh. Let's do it, boys. The roads are Kerala neat, very neat. How they are so much neat, I don't know. Stop at 200 now. The destination is at 243. We'll stop at 200. That's the best thing. We can fill the kilometers as well as the time, boy. Yes, another 15 years. It's mountains only, mountain terrain. There's a force here too. The cops checking the vehicles. I think the TT Temple Towers, I think. And that too, the locals only. So, no disturbance to us. Christianity. Kerala, because of the coastal area and the Portuguese effect and the British effect, Christianity has gone to its peak until 17 kilometers. NH85, this is NH85, National Highway 85, connects Munnar and the other cities of Kerala. So we have got a Kerala map. I'll show you exactly where I am traveling when I reach room, somewhere in the trip only, wherever possible. We are just going in between the mountains, I think, that Munnar mountain and this mountain. This is the olden city of these trees. That's why they say that God's own city. The town, the village, to go left only. There is a right also, but we need to go left only. Also, the rest of the riders are coming behind only. I can smell the bread, baking bread actually. 5 kilometers for a waterfall, it seems. Valara, Cherai Beach, beautiful house. I think paint was beautiful. That road ahead, it seems. So we have to drive carefully. So welcome to. Oh, there is another bridge actually here. Why is he honking? Fellow rider. Oh, the rubber tree plantation has started. You can see there. That is a rubber tree. Valara waterfalls. Where is this Valara? Oh, that is Valara waterfalls. Let's have a look. That is a waterfall, Valara waterfall. That is Valara waterfall, it seems. The tourists are just getting down and having a look of their bit of the nature. So let's go. There is hi my boys, superb location. Let's go. That was Valara. Now we are going to Kanyakumari via Trivandrum. Monkeys are famous, I think, here. It's a dwelling place of monkeys, I think. That's why the boats are also there. About the monkeys, something is here. I think there is a waterfall here also. Look. Oh shit, man. What a beauty, what a beauty.
And finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when...
bro.
Someone madra undi kada cutting go.
Hey. Shopping la. Kerala macha kaicho. Hey man.
Karam tintamla adi. Adredu kaal berunno sudrega.
Hope you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb.